After downloading Biob Player on your preferred device, it could be a smart TV, TV box, laptop, or even your phone. Once installed, launch the app. You'll immediately see your MAC address and device key on the screen. Save them somewhere. This is exactly how our official app looks on Android devices and smart TVs. Make sure you're using the correct version. If it doesn't look like this, it's a fake. Avoid any other apps trying to copy our design. Always download from trusted sources or the links we provide. Now open your browser and search for Boob Player, or go directly to boobplayer.com. Once you're there, head to Manage Playlist. Then, simply log in using the MAC address and device key you saved earlier. After logging in, go to the Parent PIN section. Set your new PIN and make sure to write it down so you don't forget it. Then, just hit Save, and you're all set.